Welcome to T3 Event Rentals Inventory Spotlight Series. On this video, we'll be talking about folding chairs. Folding chairs are one of the most widely used seating options in the event industry because they're versatile, efficient, and work across almost every type of event setup. From weddings and corporate events to graduations, ceremonies, festivals, and large-scale gatherings, folding chairs provide clean, organized seating that can scale to fit the size of the event. At T3 Event Rentals, we maintain a large inventory of folding chairs and regularly handle high-volume setups with thousands of seats installed across event sites. We offer multiple folding chair styles to match different event aesthetics, including white resin, black resin, natural wood, fruit wood, white aluminum, and black aluminum folding chairs. These chairs are commonly used under tents, in ceremony layouts, at school functions, and anywhere large groups need organized seating that can be installed efficiently and consistently across the event space. Our crews handle delivery, layout, setup, and breakdown, whether it's an intimate gathering or large ceremony with thousands of attendees. Folding chairs may seem simple, but at large events, they're a major part of keeping the space functional, organized, and guest ready. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, leave us a comment. Follow T3 Event Rentals for more event education, or visit us online at t3eventrentals.com.